How to access iPhone voicemail after resetting.
In this video, we'll guide you through the process of accessing your iPhone voicemail after resetting your device. Following these simple steps, you'll be able to access your voicemails easily and quickly.
What do you need to access your voicemail?
To access your iPhone voicemail, you will need 1. Your iPhone 2. A Wi-Fi or cellular data connection 3. Your voicemail password, if you've set one.
How to set up your voicemail after resetting your iPhone.
Follow these steps to set up your voicemail. 1. Open the phone app on your iPhone. 2. Tap the voicemail tab in the bottom right corner. 3. You'll see a Set Up Now button if your voicemail hasn't been set up yet. Tap on it. 4. Create a voicemail password if prompted, and tap Done. 5. Select a default greeting or record a custom greeting by following the on-screen instructions. 6. Tap Save to finish setting up your voicemail.
How to access your voicemail after setting it up.
Once your voicemail is set up, follow these steps to access it. 1. Open the phone app on your iPhone. 2. Tap the voicemail tab in the bottom right corner. 3. You'll see a list of your voicemail messages. Tap on any message to play it. 4. If prompted, enter your voicemail password and tap Done. That's it. You have now successfully accessed your iPhone voicemail after resetting your device. Remember to keep your voicemail password secure and make sure you have a stable Wi-Fi or cellular data connection to ensure seamless access to your voicemail messages.